Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best camping fridges you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many camping fridges and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each camping fridges, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a camping fridge. When choosing one, first think about its size and capacity, because it should match the length of your trips and the number of people using it. Next, consider the power source options such as 12-volt, mains, or gas, since this affects how and where you can use it. Pay attention to energy efficiency and insulation quality to ensure your food stays cold longer without draining power quickly. Also, check portability features like handles, weight, and durability for easy transport in outdoor conditions. Noise levels can matter too, especially if you're sleeping near the fridge in a tent or camper. Finally, look for useful extras such as temperature control or digital displays. Choosing the right fridge improves your camping comfort and convenience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.